You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dinosaur, the biggest predator, or yeah, I don't think it is anymore, but yeah, we'll be looking at how to say more names of famous dinosaurs as well, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Let's break down how you pronounce it. In British English, that's your top phonetic spelling. Tyrannosaurus, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus. Now in American English, the first syllable is usually skipped, as you can see on the bottom spelling here. Tyrannosaurus, Tyrannosaurus Rex, or Tyrannosaurus Rex is how you pronounce it. Tyrannosaurus or Tyrannosaurus. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.